Trading is risky. Please use risk capital you can afford to lose if you are trading. Want to consider the gap closed at 09. There are two different closes, the late close and the normal one at 415. We said we are going to consider at 09 the gap closed. We computed from the other one. And I still think that trading has become more challenging because of those late closes. So I just try to be consistent. So I measure from the 415 close to create the half gap idea, which was at 13. Now you can see that we're not in an umbrella trade based on the 5-minute chart because all of the moving averages are above the pink line. So it makes it very hard for me to think about a big move south side. Doesn't mean we can't get it, but it really does make it hard for me to imagine that. So that's why I've said over and under the blue line speaks to more of a neutral type bias. And this is somewhat of a rescue mission to all these traders here yesterday who, like the idea of buying high and trying to sell higher. And some of those traders may still be underwater. So this really is the range that we're trading right now. And nothing else matters. Anybody that is taking profits, that's part of sequence trading. When I think a number of traders are going to take profits, that causes bounces. You can see how you still need to get it up above this blue line in here, this 21, 22 area. 2-way day so far. I think this caught a few shorts. Again, crash, crash, crash. Neutral. Think neutral right now. Amazing squeeze. Take your stop out if you were short hoping for 06. Take your stop out. Anybody long side 24, you got to get paid by 23 to 24 for sure. Remember that prior 07 area that we said we had to get above? We've done that. Staying above it right here, 6 and 8. Not a lot of support built up. We may take out the high and then be careful of a comebacker. Look at how precise back here. This was the head fake. Just, okay, we got to get 06. Got to pay attention. Anybody taking one more short, drop it if it does not work. Already had a couple of good trades short side. Longs have had equal opportunity and certainly done great. And they've defended their turf yet again. Short's turn. This is a game of tennis right now. I'm thinking neutrally. You get yourself blessed with a trailer that grabs a couple more points than you think. Ride it and then take it. Don't even think twice when you get a gift. And for those of you fairly new to the business, don't think this is your grandmother's trading from way back when. It is very hard, these sharp, fast moves. That's why you cannot average in and let it run against you. Thank you, Zeke. Well, our friend Mr. Trump was actually here probably within about 10 miles of me last night. Had a nice crowd there. I did not go. Anybody that's using this 28 to 32 resistance zone, don't let it run against you. If they do one of these type moves later, take your stop out, try again. Half gap trade and gap trade is what we wanted. I consider the gap trade done at that 9. Doesn't mean we can't go back and get more, but already we've done what we asked of the market to give us an opportunity to come and close the gap in the half gap. That's been done. So if you played those trades, you've already got some capital in your pocket, and don't throw it away. Protect your profits and spread your trades out time-wise. Right now, it still looks like whack-a-mole because of this double down here that held at 08. We said we were going to use 9 support. That is held. 1 point below 09 is not. Break it. And likewise, a couple points above this. Won't break that if you use that zone as your resistance zone.